Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Lenni Sitorus. I'm from the third semester student. Education of belief in God Almighty, or we call it in Indonesian PKTT-IME, at 17 Agustus 1945, Semarang University. Here I want to give a tutorial on how to use the Mendeley application in Microsoft Word. But let me first explain what Mendeley is and what is used for. Mendeley is a computer program developed by Elsevier and is usually used to make it easier for readers to make citation, footnotes, and bibliography in the preparation of papers, scientific article, journal, and thesis. Before we go into how to use Mendeley, we must first install the application. We open Google, click Mendeley for desktop, and then after downloading, connect it to the Word application. Coincidentally, my laptop has been downloaded. We will go straight to the tutorial on how to use Mendeley right away. Okay, come on, follow the method. First, we open the Mendeley. Second, we also open the Word application. We first check it is connected to Mendeley. Click on Reference. If there already an open Mendeley post, it means it's already connected. Okay? Third, when we first look for reference that we want to use, we usually use Google Scholar. We open Google first, then type Google Scholar. Click on this Google Scholar, and what comes out of this is because it used in Indonesian, it means the same. Okay guys, then we type in the title of the journal we want to download. For example, nilai-nilai luhur budaya Batak Toba. This now immediately appears, as well as promotion guys. This is my own journal. Click, then download the PDF. After downloading, we go to Mendeley first. Here there is an add with a plus sign. We click on it, and then we look for the journal file that we downloaded earlier. Click on this to go straight to Mendeley. Here are nilai-nilai luhur budaya Batak Toba. The authors are Lenni Sitorus. This is the method if we use a soft file. Then, how do we enter our reference to Mendeley if the reference is from a book that doesn't have a soft file? We click on the arrow above the right of the Add Early button. Select Add Entry manually and select the type of file. Is it a journal, book, thesis, web page? Depending on the type we want to enter. For example, we use a book. Click on the book, then type the title of the book, the name of the authors, and what years was the book published. Rising City, what edition, the publisher, and if there is a web, then click Save. The next step, how to enter quotes, is to open the file that we download early. We copy the text that we want to quote, but first we change the sentence according to our language. After then, we click on Reference. Insert a citation. Go to Mendeley. Then klik the nilai-nilai luhur budaya Batak Toba and click on Cite. Next, to insert footnotes, we first change the style from APA to Modern Humanities. Then, click Insert Citation, go to Mendeley, click to Mendeley, click what you want to enter, and here it already has footnotes. Then, how do you enter the bibliography? Let's make the place first. Daftar pustaka. Then, click Insert Bibliography. It will appear right away. Okay guys, that's all the tutorial on how to use Mendeley in Word application. I will see you in other tutorial guys. Don't forget to like,